Welcome to the City of Lights, Paris, France's dazzling and romantic capital. Nestled in the heart of Western Europe, Paris is a city that needs no introduction. It's a place where art, history, and culture collide in a symphony of experiences waiting to be explored. As we embark on this comprehensive travel guide, get ready to uncover the enchanting allure of Paris, a city that has captured the hearts of travelers for centuries. Paris is situated in the northern part of France, nestled along the banks of the River Seine. Its central location in the country makes it a hub for both domestic and international travelers. The city is divided into several districts, each with its own unique charm, but the main attractions are spread across the city, offering a diverse range of experiences. Whether you're a history buff, art enthusiast, foodie, or romantic at heart, Paris offers something for everyone. Stay tuned as we guide you on how to get to this captivating destination, setting the stage for an unforgettable adventure in the heart of France. Now that you're eager to embark on your Parisian adventure, let's explore the various transportation options to reach this enchanting city. Paris is exceptionally well connected, making it easily accessible from various major cities and neighboring countries. For international travelers, Paris has two main airports, Charles de Gaulle Airport and Orly Airport. Charles de Gaulle is one of Europe's busiest hubs and serves as a gateway to Paris from all over the world. Orly Airport, though smaller, handles numerous international flights as well. Depending on your departure city, flying to Paris can be both convenient and time-efficient. Travel times and costs vary, but on average, you can expect a flight from major European cities to take 1 to 2 hours, while intercontinental flights may range from 7 to 12 hours. The European rail network is renowned for its efficiency and scenic routes. You can reach Paris from major European cities like London, Brussels, Amsterdam, and Frankfurt via high-speed trains. The Eurostar Thalys and TFT services offer a comfortable and eco-friendly travel option. For instance, the Eurostar takes around 2 hours and 20 minutes from London to Paris. If you're traveling on a budget, long-distance buses are a viable option. Operators like Flixbus and Eurolines offer routes to Paris from various European cities. However, travel times can be longer, ranging from 6 to 12 hours, depending on your departure point. For those who prefer the flexibility of a road trip, you can drive to Paris from neighboring countries. The city is well connected to major European highways. Keep in mind that traffic can be congested and parking in the city center can be challenging and costly. Travel times and costs depend on your starting location, but a rough estimate might be 4 to 6 hours from Brussels and 5 to 7 hours from Amsterdam. Now that you know how to get here, get ready for the next part of our guide, where we'll tantalize your taste buds with the exquisite dining experiences Paris has to offer and help you find the perfect place to rest your head after a day of exploring. Stay with us as we dive into the world of dining and accommodation in Paris, where you'll discover the culinary delights and accommodation options that will make your Parisian journey truly unforgettable. Bon appétit! Once you've arrived in Paris, the next step is finding the perfect place to stay and savoring the city's delectable cuisine. Let's dive into your options for accommodation and dining. Lodging options. Hotels. Paris offers a wide range of hotels, catering to various preferences and budgets, from opulent establishments like Le Meurice and the Ritz to more budget-friendly choices such as Ibis or Holiday Inn. You'll find options to suit your needs. Hostels. Travelers on a budget will appreciate the variety of hostels in Paris. Places like St. Christopher's Inn and Generator Hostel provide affordable accommodation and a chance to connect with fellow travelers. Vacation rentals. For a more immersive experience, consider vacation rentals through platforms like Airbnb. These rentals offer a taste of local life and are scattered throughout the city. Dining options. Cafes and bistros. Paris is renowned for its charming sidewalk cafes and bistros. Start your day with a croissant and café au lait or relish classic French dishes like onion soup or coq vin in cozy bistros. Fine dining. Paris is a haven for food enthusiasts with numerous Michelin-starred restaurants. Experience world-class cuisine in settings that range from classic to avant-garde. Local specialties. Don't miss the opportunity to savor iconic Parisian treats such as escargot, croissants, coq au vin, or crème brûlée. Street vendors offer delectable options like crepes and baguettes with cheese, perfect for on-the-go dining. With your lodging and dining options explored, join us in the next segment of our guide as we uncover the best things to do in Paris. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we'll reveal the must-visit places and activities that will make your Parisian adventure truly memorable. Stay tuned and continue your journey with us in the City of Lights. Paris, often called the City of Love or the City of Lights, is a treasure trove of history, culture, and beauty. Let's explore the must-visit attractions in and around Paris, each with its own unique charm and history. Number 1. Eiffel Tower. No trip to Paris is complete without a visit to the iconic Eiffel Tower. Built for the 1889 World's Fair, this masterpiece of iron architecture offers breathtaking views of the city. To avoid long lines, consider booking tickets in advance or visiting early in the morning. Number 2. Louvre Museum. Home to the enigmatic Mona Lisa, and countless other works of art, the Louvre is one of the world's largest and most famous museums. Spend hours wandering its halls or opt for a guided tour to uncover its hidden gems. Number 3. Notre Dame Cathedral. A masterpiece of Gothic architecture, Notre Dame Cathedral has stood as a symbol of Paris for centuries. Climb to the top for panoramic views of the city and explore its intricate stained glass windows and history. Number 4. Montmartre. This historic hilltop neighborhood is known for its artistic heritage. Visit the stunning Sacré-Cœur Basilica, stroll through Place du Tertre to see street artists at work, and immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere. Number 5. Seine River Cruise. A cruise along the Seine River offers a unique perspective of Paris. Sail past landmarks like the Louvre, Eiffel Tower, and Musée d'Orsay while enjoying a romantic dinner or a guided tour. Number 6. Palace of Versailles. Just a short train ride from Paris, the Palace of Versailles is a marvel of opulence and grandeur. Explore the Hall of Mirrors and the beautifully landscaped gardens. Number 7. Musée d'Orsay. Housed in a former railway station, this museum showcases an extensive collection of Impressionist and also post-Impressionist masterpieces. Don't miss the works by Monet, Degas, and Van Gogh. Number 8. Champs Elysees and Arc de Triomphe. Stroll down the elegant Champs Elysees, lined with designer boutiques and cafes, and culminate your walk at the Arc de Triomphe. Ascend the arch for panoramic views. Number 9. Palace of Luxembourg. Explore the beautiful gardens and historic palace, which now houses the French Senate. It's a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. Number 10. Catacombs of Paris. Delve into the darker side of Paris with a visit to the catacombs. These underground tunnels hold the skeletal remains of millions and offer a unique and eerie experience. Now that you're familiar with the top attractions in Paris, join us in the next segment as we guide you through planning your trip to Paris. From practical travel tips to cultural insights, we'll help you prepare for an unforgettable adventure in the City of Lights. Stay tuned and continue your journey with us. Now that you're ready to embark on your Parisian adventure, it's essential to plan your trip effectively for a smooth and memorable experience. Here are some valuable tips to help you make the most of your visit to the City of Lights. When planning your trip to Paris, it's essential to consider the best time to visit. Each season offers a unique experience. Spring is lovely with mild weather and blooming cherry blossoms. Summer is peak tourist season, perfect for warm weather, but also crowded attractions. Fall brings pleasant weather and fewer tourists. Winter has its charm with festive decorations and fewer crowds. Special events and festivals. Paris hosts various special events and festivals throughout the year. Bastille Day on July 14th is a fantastic celebration with fireworks, parades, and street parties. Fête de la Musique on June 21st is a city-wide music festival with free concerts. If you're a fashion enthusiast, consider visiting during Fashion Week in February and March or September and October. Remember that Paris caters to various types of travelers, from history buffs to foodies and art aficionados. The key is to plan your itinerary based on your interests and pace, ensuring a fulfilling and enjoyable experience. As we conclude our comprehensive travel guide to Paris, it's clear that this captivating city has something for everyone. From iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum, to charming neighborhoods like Montmartre and the culinary delights that await you at every turn. Paris is a destination that promises unforgettable experiences. We've covered the best times to visit, special events and festivals, and offered itineraries for various types of travelers, ensuring that your journey to the City of Lights will be as unique as you are. Paris welcomes you with open arms, ready to share its rich history, art, culture, and cuisine. So, whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family adventure, a solo exploration, or an immersion in art and culture, Paris is ready to enchant you. Don't wait. Start planning your trip today. For more information and resources to help you plan your Parisian adventure, visit the official France Tourism website. Paris is waiting for you. Bon voyage!